Guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can tell from the store footage, my store, packed. Almost overwhelmingly so. You guys saw the loose bottles. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I can't get through all those bottles. I checked the women's section, I checked the men's section, and that's what you guys need to be doing. You need to check the women's and the men's section. A lot of the times, some of the best niche fragrances that I found at the deepest discounts have been found in the women's perfume section. The people working there, they don't always know where what goes or, you know, whatever. So you need to do it. Now, I did upload a video yesterday to my members only section. So guys, if you aren't a member, be sure to join. I'm gonna link all the information down below. It's just, I have some store footage. I'm gonna be adding commentary in the future to my rack store pickups, and that's gonna be for members only. Just, you know, I think it's a nice little incentive to join. But let's look at today's fragrance. I ended up grabbing Khadlaj Shiyaaka Shadow. And this one stood out to me because a couple months ago, I paid $34.99, by the way. And I believe this is the 100 ml. Couple reasons why I grabbed this. One, really impressed with Khadlaj fragrances as of late. This particular fragrance was really hyped a couple months ago, like 2-3 months ago on my TikTok. This was popping up all the time. I like to give hype a little bit of time. I don't jump immediately on, especially when everyone is hyping a fragrance, because I want to give an honest review of it, just my opinion, and I've done that in the past and I'm not apologizing for it. I've pissed brands off by talking truth about particular fragrances, so I've been completely blacklisted. I'm fine with it. I just want to talk about fragrances that I actually enjoy, and I've been impressed with Khadlaj. They are not sponsoring this. TJ Maxx and TJX companies is not sponsoring this, although TJX, look me up. And another thing, this is a special edition. So I don't know if this is going to be limited or around forever. So other than that, I don't know much about the fragrance. I do know that some of those reviews that I saw talked about it smelling like Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy. I don't know if it's the original or a flanker. So let's not waste any more time. I'm going to get this on skin. I'm going to walk you guys through what I pick up and ultimately let you know if Shiyaaka Shadow from Khadlaj is actually any good. Let's get into it. Guys, before I could even get the cellophane off of the box, I could smell it. So there you go, the bottle, love it. Absolutely love the bottle, the different textures, the different colors of black. You have more of a matte black, you have a shiny black, you have this sort of silver text that pops out a little bit. Yeah, gorgeous bottle, piano black on the top. So I like how it has all of these different textures and shades of black. Very, very cool looking bottle. Feels nice in hand. I love the texture. Feels like very grippy. So let's take a look at the atomizer. Wow, pressurized atomizer, incredible. And actually, thinking back, Shiyaaka Red, which I just recently tried, amazing fragrance. Amouage's Reflection Man, it's a dupe of that. I don't know what this is a dupe of, like I said, maybe. But I also think it would be weird to do Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy, because it's like, I mean, that fragrance, you can usually get it for like 60, 70 bucks. But yeah, if you really want to save money, you definitely can. So in the air, lots of freshness, a little bit of sweetness, some fruitiness, woods, musk, has a little bit of a synthetic feel in the air, but not necessarily a bad thing. It's giving off kind of that drier sheet vibe. Let's get this on skin. Love the atomizer on this. Incredible. Okay. Yeah, okay. And spraying it again, even more fruitiness coming out. All right, let's see what this does. Yeah, I like this. There's a green element to it as well. I can't quite make out the fruit. It's authentic smelling, even though I don't know what the fruit is. It smells earthy, freshly plucked, so to speak, from the ground, off a tree. Think, you know, very natural smelling in that way. And then there is a green element to it, an earthiness. I'm sure there's patchouli here. Well-balanced sweetness. I don't like things to be overly sweet. This isn't. It has that sweetness, so it's definitely very inviting and attention-grabbing in a way, and mass appealing. Smells like a designer fragrance, but that sweetness is just so well done. It has kind of a cooling effect to it. So I don't know if that's an aromatic note in here, but very, very pleasant. Is it reminding me of Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy? Not initially. It's not if I'm being honest, it's not making me think of that fragrance. Which, by the way, guys, is why I don't like to see reviews before I talk about a scent, because I don't want to go in with preconceived notions of what it's supposed to smell like or what it's going to be. I like to judge fragrances on their own merit. Very, very nice, though. I think the fruitiness here is so nice. So well balanced. I got to take a look at the notes. The other thing I want to note is right now, nice projection, nice little scent bubble coming from it. Okay, so the top notes are grapefruit, pink pepper, and lavender. Mid notes are cashmere wood, amber, and cedarwood. Base notes are patchouli, moss, and musk. So the fruitiness, I think some of it too could be coming, sweetness could be coming from the pink pepper along with that grapefruit, but I don't pick up grapefruit. It's not the fruit that I'm thinking of. I guess I don't know what fruit I'm thinking of. It's not as sour, it's not as tart as most grapefruits are. So if it is grapefruit, it's on the sweeter side. It's on the fruitier side, less citrus. So yeah, but I like it. Definitely a lot of woods, patchouli, and greenness. So the moss, the patchouli, even to some degree, the cedarwood adding to that earthiness and the greenness that I'm getting, which I really like. And then the cleanliness, obviously, from the lavender. There is a slight creaminess here. Not picking up a lot of amber or, well, sometimes cashmere wood is giving off that synthetic note. So it has this kind of fuzziness to it, and I am picking that up here. So that's probably that. But other than that, I mean, this is really, really pleasant. It looks like a lot of people are comparing this to Bad Boy Cobalt Electrique from Carolina Herrera. So I have not smelled that fragrance. Overall, I'm really liking this one. What situations would I wear this in? I think this is really versatile. This could be a signature fragrance. It's also one that, despite it being a fresher fragrance, I think could work year round because of the amber. It does have a little bit of a cooling effect, but I would definitely reach for this one in the colder months. So yeah, for that reason, versatility, it's a winner. As it's settling in a little bit on my skin, definitely picking out more of that patchouli and that moss, making it even more earthy. I'm losing some of the sweetness, and those more earthy notes are coming through. So you're gonna have to like earthy fragrances. This is different. This is masculine. This is something that I wouldn't have expected from this line. I don't know why. I think I was thinking more youthful. I was wrong. I mean, this is one that I would easily wear. It has sort of a elegance to it, but also a maturity to it as well, with just the right amount of sweetness. So for that reason, I think this is a good fragrance. I'm gonna give it a full wear, let you guys know more about the overall performance in my weekly wears video, which drop every single Monday. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? You are missing out. Drop a like on this video if you like what you saw today, but I'd be curious to know, have you tried Shiyaaka Shadow from Khadlaj? Is this one that you enjoy? Drop it in the comment section down below. But if you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.